Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. We are here to learn a use case of client scripts. When incident state is new and the value of new is 1, then all states value should be not visible in the form. Like we need to remove all the options of the choice column. Okay, let's go for the incident form and I'll show you before going to the script. Like incident dot do. If the state value is new, then I don't want any other options to be displayed. Okay, then you can go for any alternative. Like if the state value is new, then when I don't want these options to be displayed in the state column. Okay, further, right click on the column header, go for configure, go for client scripts, and you can create a new one here. Click on new button and mention the name of the client script here, like remove choice of state. Type is all. Type of client script is onLoad, and toggle the screen for better visibility, and declare a variable to store the value of state, like var state equal to, or you can mention directly different, like I'll just mention as star state value equal to g underscore form dot get value. Get value is a method used to get the value of the columns. Okay, the backend value of state is state, and then I'm checking with the if condition. If state value and comparing with 1 as the backend value of new is 1, and then I'm using other glide forms to make those things, like g underscore form dot remove option is a method which is used to remove the certain option from the choice column. Okay, state comma 2, the same thing applies. I'll just copy paste for your reference. I just mention the other values, the backend values, like 3, 6, 7, 8 respectively. These are the backend names of, like, 1 is equal to new, 2 is for in progress, and 3 is for on hold, and 6 is for resolved, and 7 is for closed, and 8 for is cancelled. Okay, you can check these backend names. Okay, save this record and see whether it working or not in the form view. Because we are using the client scripts, they execute on the form view. Click on filter navigator or go for history, go for incident new record. When it is new, it is not showing any value of other choices like in progress or on hold or resolved or cancelled or anything. Okay, this is a use case regarding with that. Okay, thanks for your time. Jai Hind.